Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back for another unboxing video. Today we're going to have a look at the Ryobi 18V 3-speed cordless impact driver. Now this driver doesn't come with any batteries or chargers. It's just what they call a skin only. It comes with a 6-year replacement warranty. Now I've already got a number of these tools and I've already got these batteries. This is a 5 amp hour 18V battery. You can get these in various sizes. This is just one of the batteries that I've got. I've got a few of these. And I've already done a few Ryobi 18V tool unboxings. So I might link those below in the description box for you, just in case you're interested in more Ryobi tools. Now the reason I bought this is because I have a number of projects going. I've been building tables and I've got a few other things that I need to build. I've also built a fishing rod rack and a few other things around the house. So this is going to be really handy to drive fasteners into timber, metal and various other things. I've had this drill here, drill driver, for about 6 or 7 years. It's a Bosch one and it still works. What I've been doing is I've been using this to drill the pilot holes, and then I've been swapping the drill bit out for a driver to tighten up the fasteners, which is very time consuming when you're doing a lot of fasteners when you're building tables as well as other projects. So therefore I thought I'd buy one of these, which is a dedicated driver, so I can have my Bosch battery drill, which is still working quite well. I can use that to drill holes, and then I can use this to tighten up the fasteners. So let's get it out the box and have a closer look. Okay, here it is out of the box. Looks really nice. It's a 3-speed one. So it's got 3 different speed settings, and each speed setting also has a different torque setting. Now I believe the maximum of this is 220 Newton meters of torque. I'm not sure what that is. They've also got a model that doesn't have the 3 speeds, and that's only got 180 Newton meters of torque. So that's a little bit cheaper. I believe the 180 torque setting was $99 and this one was $149. So it's about half again. You can also get another model up which has got a brushless motor, but I think for what I'm using this for and the fact that it comes with a 6-year warranty, I think this will be fine. It also came with some tools or driver adapters. There's your Phillips head, and I quite like this because you can put a socket on the end of that. Now these tools just clip straight in there like that, and then they're securely attached. So any drivers you buy should be like this. They should have this little thing here so that they can clip in there nicely. To take them back off, just pull this up. Well, there it goes flying. So there you go, push that one in and it's securely attached, ready to use, and watch it go flying. You just got to make sure that your driver bit doesn't get lost when you eject it like that. Okay, let's try it out with a battery. Battery just clips in, that easy. It's got some LED lights here, and let's try it out on number 1. Second setting. Third setting. There you go. And it's got forward and reverse, easily accessed right there. To change batteries, pull that off, get your newly charged battery and put it back on. Job done. Let's have a look at some of the projects that I've been working on, and we'll give this thing a test run right now. Here's some of the tables that I've been building. Excuse the mess in the background. Okay, this is one table that I built. The one that it is sitting on It's a similar design table, just larger. That's another table that I've built. And I'll show you a couple of finished ones in a second. And what I've got to do here, I've got to get a brace that I've already cut between the two legs, just to strengthen the table up a bit and give it a little bit more support. There you go, there's the table pretty much all built, and I've used a new driver to install these braces and it worked really well. I'm actually quite upset that I did not buy this driver before I started all these table projects and some other projects that I've been doing. I've been wasting a lot of time and effort, and it comes down to the right tool for the right job, I guess. So I can most definitely recommend the Ryobi 3-speed impact driver. And I do recommend getting the 3-speed one over the $99 single speed one. Look, just spend the extra $50 and I'm sure you will not regret it. I have not used the single speed one, but the 3-speed is absolutely brilliant and it works really well. And here's another table that I've just finished building using my brand new Ryobi 3-speed impact driver. I've just finished sanding this back and now it's ready for finishing off. So overall this thing seems to work great. I'm pretty happy with my investment, and I think this will make my life a little bit easier when I build my projects around the shed and around the house. If you've got any questions about this product, do me a favour, leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll try and answer your inquiries to the best of my ability. Now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the new driver, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.